Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for this video because I'm going to be showing you my top favorite nude lipstick combos. I'm also filming on my camera instead of my phone, so I'm sorry if I look at the viewfinder instead of looking at the lens. I'm still getting used to it. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when I post other videos. If you want to see all of my favorite lip combos, keep watching. I've already started with Stripdown, and I'm filming on my camera, so I'm not used to it, and I'm going to look at the viewfinder probably, so I'm sorry if I look up there instead of the actual lens. I've had my camera and I just haven't used it, so I felt like I needed to use it. So like I said, I already have Stripdown on, and the first combo is going to be one that I wear pretty often, and it's Stripdown and Yash, and they're both by MAC. So this is Yash right here, as you can see. I have like very little left, and then this is Stripdown lip pencil. Let's see, I'm going to show you this. So this is Stripdown. Let's focus. I don't know if it's focusing. I don't know if you can see that, but it's Stripdown lip pencil. And I'm gonna go in with Yash now. And after I apply Yash, I'm going to go back in with Stripdown just to help redefine the lips. And this lipstick is matte, but I was wearing lip balm before. And you could leave it like this, and this is a pretty combo, and this is what I would wear daily. But I usually go in with Cork lip pencil. This is also by MAC. And then I use this more so just on the bottom. And this is more to create a shadow and just add some, it helps create a shadow and add some depth to the lips. So that's Stripdown, Yash, and Cork on top. And then the next combo that I'm going to show is going to be Stripdown with Honeylove, which is, they're very, very similar. Let me show you. Just that Honeylove is slightly pinker than Yash. So then this one right here on top is Honeylove, and this one right here on the bottom is Yash. And I love both of them. They are different even though they're similar in tones. You're going to see like the difference between them. So I'm going to take Honeylove. And then I'm going to go back in with Stripdown. And then for this one, I would leave it like this, or if I want to add a gloss, because this is a little bit more pinky toned, I'm going to take the color Nymphette. And this is like a sheer pink gloss with a slight gold reflex. And this combo would also be something that I would wear more for daily use. And I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick. This is called Topped with Brandy. This came in a holiday set, but they also sell this one. It's by MAC as well. And they sell this one in regular full size. So I'm going to use this liquid lipstick as a lip liner. going to slightly fill in the edges of the lip. And I'm going to fill in the center with a lipstick called Love You Back. And this is a very light pink. I would say it's a very, very soft color. It's this one right here. And then on top of this one, I am going to add a gloss as well. Before I add the gloss, I'm going to take the NYX Lingerie Push Up in Embellishment. And this is a lip liner. And it kind of like plumps the lips, but it doesn't feel like anything strong. And I'm just going to go over the edges. Didn't actually introduce me to these. I'm gonna put her video down below because the next trick that I'm gonna show, she just did on her latest video. It's like a quarantine glow up, and it was the coolest trick ever if you're into nude lips. So I'm gonna take a concealer or something just really light. I'm just gonna take a very, very light concealer. I'm gonna put it on my finger. Pat it in the center. And kind of blot your lips together. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more. And now I'm going to take this is a lip plumper, and I'm going to apply this all over on top. And this is something if you want like a deeper nude, this is something that I like to do whenever I'm also feeling more of like a mauve tone, or if you're wearing, depending on the color, like of eyeshadow or anything like that. Just if you want more color, you don't want something so pale, you can do something like this. And this I would use more like during nighttime. So next I'm going to take Spice Lip Pencil. And I'm just filling the edges slightly. And I'm going to take Burnt Spice liquid lipstick. And then afterwards, I'm going to take, this is the Too Faced Lip Injection, but I use it a lot with this combo, so it's already like tinted. And I'm going to put this on top. So that's another combo. And then the last one that I'm going to show is going to be, so I'm going to take Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Pencil. And I would describe this one as deeper than Stripdown, but not as dark as Cork. So my camera said that it was overheating or something like that, but I left off with applying Sweet Tea Lip Pencil by Morphe. And now I'm going to go back in with Love You Back. So I'm going to apply this all over. And then I'm going to take, this is a newer lipstick and I really love this one. It's by Patrick Ta. It's called She's Unapologetic, and I like to use this one kind of like that trick with the concealer, sort of to lighten lipsticks, and that's what I like to use this one for, because it's probably the lightest lipstick I own. It's really light. So I'm going to apply. I'm going to focus it more in the center. And then I'm going to go back in with Sweet Tea. And then Cork. And then I'm going to take the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Sweet Mouth. So those were my top favorite nude lip combos. I have other combos. If you want to see them, let me know because I can show a lot more of them. My lip combos that I have usually revolve around Spice, Cork, and Stripdown because I feel like you can do so much with these three pencils and they cover a wide range of colors. And they're great for also like a wide range of skin tones. And I already looked at some of the footage and I'm sorry that I kind of covered the lens sometimes, but let me know if this is like a better way to film. I'm not sure. I feel like it's so much more convenient to film on my phone, but I've had this camera for a while and I haven't used it, so I thought I should. I know the quality is a lot better on here, but thank you for watching my video. Let me know if I should do the part 2 showing my other favorite nudes, something more peachy, pinks, just more of the other nudes that I use, more lip pencils that I use. I didn't want to make this one too long, so let me know if I should do a part 2. Thank you for watching. Bye!